men's sexual health it's important for a man's overall well-being, and sexual dysfunction can sometimes be a foreshadow of problems to come later in life. And for example, erectile dysfunction, especially in younger men, can sometimes manifest before other medical problems such as cardiac problems later in life. And so it's very important for us to be able to identify these issues early on so we can get men treated to help optimize their overall health status early on.
Sexual health is health. I hope that, really after hearing our conversation and this discussion, that all the men and partners feel empowered to, seek out help if your sexual health is affected. In my mind, quality of life and sexual health should be just as important as you seeking out care for your cancer screening and anything else is important. And I think we have to continue to validate that this is something that has to be elevated in conversation because it touches on so many different components of your life.